Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 4 divided by 1 over 4 then times 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Here this 4 and this 4 easily can cancel each other out. So we have just 4 divided by 1 and this is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct, because multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to handle this division, then this multiplication. Okay, so first 4 divided by 1 over 4. Here we can use a KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, so 4 divided by 1 over 4 can be written as 4 times just 4. And we have here times 4 again. No, 4 times 4 equals 16. And 16 times 4 gives us just 64. So our final answer to this problem is just 64.